Hello, I'm Wave. We will talk about lithography. Lithography is a method of printing originally based on the immiscibility of oil and water. The printing is from a stone or a metal plate with a smooth surface. It was invented in 1796 by German author and actor Alois Senefelder as a cheap method of publishing theatrical works. Lithography is different from intaglio printing, gravure, wherein a plate is either engraved, etched, or stippled to score cavities to contain the printing ink, and woodblock printing or letterpress printing, wherein ink is applied to the raised surfaces of letters or images. Today, most types of high-volume books and magazines, especially when illustrated in color, are printed with offset lithography, which has become the most common form of printing technology since the 1960s. Any picture that can be either portrait or landscape can be drawn on the surface of the print plate with a fat or oil-based medium, such as a wax crayon on a paper, which may be pigmented to make the drawing visible. Then the artist will flip over where the crayon must come in contact with the surface. The function of this solution is to create a hydrophilic layer of calcium nitrate salt and gum arabic on all non-image surfaces. The gum solution which then penetrates into the pores of the stone, completely surrounding the original image with a hydrophilic layer that will not accept the printing ink. Using lithographic turpentine, the printer then removes any excess of the greasy drawing material, but a hydrophobic molecular film of it remains tightly bonded to the surface of the stone, rejecting the gum arabic and water, but ready to accept the oily ink. Finally, the image can be ready by removing the sheet, resulting in a mirror image. There are several other paintings that can be done by the following artists. Any type of chemicals that are suitable for art, I'll have to discuss with Amy Rose. Amy, does oil turpentine use in lithography?
Okay, let me know if it is used.
Explain how this thing uses in lithography.
Through the web, I found this. A turpentine is a fluid obtained by the distillation of resin harvested from living trees, mainly pines. This is a chemical structure of alpha-pinene.
Tell me about linseed oil.
Linseed oil will help your paint rise slightly faster, while others, like stand oil, will elongate its drying time. What's your name?
Wave the Swallow. I'm the artist director. So yeah, thanks Amy, that's a great discussion for about lithography. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.